Today let me show you how to create a page on Facebook. I've been getting an error every time when I try to create a web page. So today I'm going to show you, but let's just start by creating a page. I want to show you the error that I get. It will show just now. So I'll create a page normally and then click next. Then you enter the category, which one. I normally select technology or science and then create. And then this is the error that I get. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's go to Play Store. On Play Store you're going to download a VPN. It can be any VPN. I just chose any VPN that was close. I'll be choosing Turbo VPN. Then we install it. After the installation, you just open it and then you try to connect to any site. It's going to show now. We're going to connect just now. Then you tap on connect. And just close the elevator. You don't need to pay. You can just use the free version. But in our case, we're connected to United Kingdom. So we close, we go back to Facebook, we try again to create a page. Okay. Let's just open it one more time. Facebook, pages. Then you create, get started. You can type in your name page, the name of the page. Select the category. I'm going to go with science this time. Science and technology. Create. It's taking longer than before. There we go. We've passed that stage. So now what you need to do, you can just select open all 24, always open 24 hours. Then you click on next. Or you can fill in the information, but you can always come back later and fill up the information. Then you hit the next button. Or you want to add the pictures, you can add them now and then click on next. And then you are done. Just like that, we have created our own page now on Facebook. So for you to get rid of that error, you just have to connect to a VPN. And then you try again with the VPN. It will work. You don't need to pay for a VPN. You can just use any free VPN online. You can get them from Play Store, any VPN. Then you connect, you try to create a page and it should work. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.